Psalm 55, to him who excels on Negino, a psalm of David to give instruction. Hear my prayer, O God, and do not hide yourself from my supplication. Hear me and answer me. I mourn in my prayer and make a noise for the voice of the enemy, for the troubling of the wicked, because they have brought iniquity upon me and furiously hate me. My heart trembles within me, and the terrors of death have fallen upon me. Fear and trembling have come upon me, and a horrible fear has covered me. And I said, "Oh, that I had wings like a dove! Then I would fly away and rest. Behold, I would wander far off and lodge in the wilderness. Selah. He would hurry for my deliverance from the stormy wind and tempest. Destroy, O Lord, and divide their tongues, for I have seen cruelty and strife in the city. Day and night they go about it upon the walls thereof. Both iniquity and mischief are in the midst of it. Wickedness is in the midst thereof. Deceit and guile do not depart from her streets. Surely my enemy did not defame me, for I could have borne it, nor did my adversary exalt himself against me, for I would have hidden myself from him. But it was you, O man, even my companion, my guide, and my intimate. We delighted in consulting together, and went into the house of God as companions. Let death seize them. Let them go down quick into the grave. For wickedness is in their dwellings, even in the midst of them. I will call to God, and the Lord will save me. Evening and morning and at noon I will pray and make a noise, and he will hear my voice. He has delivered my soul in peace from the battle against me, for many were with me. God shall hear and afflict them, even he who reigns of old. Selah. Because they do not change, therefore they do not fear God. He laid his hand upon such who are at peace with him. He broke his covenant. The words of his mouth were softer than butter, yet war was in his heart. His words were more gentle than oil, yet they were swords. Cast your burden upon the Lord, and he shall nourish you. He will not allow the righteous to fall forever. And you, O God, shall bring them down into the pit of corruption. The bloody and deceitful men shall not live half their days, but I will trust in you.